Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Dual Sport Motorcycle Adventures. Today I'm going to relube the chain on my Yamaha TW200. But to start, I'm going to use some of this chain cleaner that I picked up. This is Motul MC Care. So let's do this. I got a piece of cardboard here. I'm going to slide it right down behind everything here. There we go. That big fat tire. Let's see if I can spin it with that there. Yeah, okay, I can. There we go. And more there. That's great. And I'm assuming this is just like bike chain cleaner where you don't want to get it all over the place. Just on the chain. Oh, they use a master link on motorcycle chains, eh? That's a fat master link. So as you can imagine, this is my first time ever doing this. So if you're thinking, oh, you should be cleaning your chain, how hard can it be? It doesn't seem to be that hard. It doesn't seem to be that hard at all. Spray that on there. Not sure if I need to adjust. That's pretty slacky. Wow. Yeah, maybe I'll attempt to tighten that up a click. Is that a 20? Huh. Yeah, there it goes. No. I will loosen those. I'm determined. Yes, very determined. Oh, this isn't the right wrench. Fuck, those bolts are tight. Hey, just loosen the bolts off, he says, and owner's manual. So a lot of you may have seen that I was doing shit way wrong. And I understand that I was doing shit way wrong. And that's why I went and got my book, because I didn't know what I was doing and I stopped, right? Stopped. So I was supposed to loosen this. Now I gotta tighten this back up and then check my brake free play and then check my brake light. So that was smart of me. And by smart of me, I say not very smart of me. Oh, that's way too much brake free play now. Let's loosen that off. That feels good. I think the brakes are on though. Let's go off. How's that feel? That feels good. And of course I can't check my brake light because I don't have my keys on me right now. So I'm gonna run in and get my keys. Let's do it. See what happens when you're not a bicycle mechanic or a motorcycle mechanic and you start trying to fuck with your motorcycle. But you know what? This is how you learn, right? Fucking around. Nobody learns shit by just sitting on the couch and not doing shit. Oh, what did I come up here for again? Motorcycle key. Right. Right. Oh, yeah. So I was like fucking loosening that other bolt on the other side. This axle nut here. And you guys were probably all just screaming at me. I know, fucking stupid. I get it. That was stupid, okay? Yay. Yeah. So I don't have a torque wrench. Get my key off. So, I mean, this just went as tight as I could get it. You have to put a wrench on the other side too, or that side'll spin. Let's see. That was on there really quite tight. There we go. Now, so I'm going to carry on lubing the chain now. That was a fun detour. Fun detour that was. So I don't know how tight I was supposed to make it. It's lubing time. I have some of this muck off. How does this work? Is that already? Okay. Oh, I see. It's got two. Well, I like that one because it's got the longer nozzle. This won't come out. There we go. Nozzle. Up. And like before, this down here. And so once I start putting you know, thousands of miles on this bike. I'll definitely be cleaning the sprocket off and stuff. This is just my first lube of this chain since I bought the bike. 900 kilometers on it. I don't know what that is in miles. Pro tip, if you start at your master link, you don't have to guess. So I'm just spraying the hell out of the chain. And then I'm going to let it sit. And I'm going to wipe off the excess. And Bob's your uncle. All right. Interesting. You know, I'm wondering if I even need to give it a wipe. The dry lube dried pretty dry. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. We're good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.